Yeah. So basically, today we are going to discuss about merge sort. Okay. So let's start. How now? See, before starting your merge sort algorithm, that means merge sort technique. So we already discussed about bubble sort. We already discussed about insertion sort. We already discussed about selection, selection sort. Okay. Now today we are going to discuss about merge sort. Okay, the merge sort. Now these all algorithm, that means these all are techniques, not an algorithm. We can say that these all are technique we are used to arrange the data. We are used to arrange the data. So data may be a integer type, data may be a character type, data may be a string type. Okay, to arrange the data from increasing to decreasing order, to increasing to decreasing order. Now see, so first questions comes in your mind, if bubble sort is there, then insertion sort is there, then selection sort is there, then why we need this one? Then why we need? Okay, so because of only one answer, because of time complexity. Because of time complexity. And we calculate the time complexity, that means calculate the time complexity, calculate the time complexity with respect to what? With respect to input size. With respect to input size. Okay. So here, if your input is very large, the time complexity of this one is order of n square. I am talking about the worst case. This is the also order of n square. This is the also the order of n square, and this is the time complexity order of n log n. That is much lesser than this one. Now see, take one example. So this is 2. So this means order of n square becomes 4. Now here, now see, this is 4. So this is the 2 and log base 2 into 2. So this will be the 1. So it will be 2. So this one is the best. Yes or no? Is it clear? Yeah. Thank you.
सर ये समझ नहीं है, आप एक बार रिपीट करवाओगे?
कौन सा ये इक्वेशन?
यस सर.
ओके.
वो तीनों का तो पता है कि n स्क्वायर होगा जो ऑर्डर होगा वो. ये मर्ज सॉर्ट का ये कैसे हो गया वो?
देखिए, वो तो हम लोग कोड में देखेंगे एज इट इज. पहले आप इसे याद करने के लिए फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग पर्पस, द टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी ऑफ दिस वन ऑर्डर ऑफ n log n. इसे जब हम लोग कोड में जाएंगे तब सीखेंगे कि कैसे ऑर्डर ऑफ n आता है. अब देखिए कि कैसे हम लोग मैच करते हैं. समझिए, एक साइड हमारे पास ऑर्डर ऑफ n स्क्वायर है. सपोज आई कैन टेक द वैल्यू ऑफ n इक्वल टू 2. सो नाउ सी दिस वन 2 square, that means 4 seconds it will take. Now I am calculating this one, 2 into this log base 2. Now see, in data structure the base of log is 2. Is it clear? So now see, this will be calculating. So if base is equal to the this n value, that means 1. So it will take 2 seconds. So which one is the best among these? The merge sort. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
So basically my point is that what I want to show you, because we calculate the time complexity, in respect to the input side. So here input is maybe 4, input may be 1000, input may be 1 lakhs, it may be %. So what is the 4 and this one? So it may be array, it may be a character, it may be anything. Okay. Clear?
Yes sir.
Okay, thank you. So now, so shall we start merge sort? So merge sort, by the name of meaning of this merge, that means if a two boxes are given, and if I want to say can you make it to one box, so what will we do? We have to merge these two boxes. Yes या no? हम यही प्रोसेस यूज करेंगे ना. अगर दो डिफरेंट बॉक्सेस हैं और उन्हें आपस में एक बॉक्स क्रिएट करना है तो हम आपस में मर्ज कर देंगे. So that approach we are going to perform. But this approach how can perform? Suppose one array is given. Okay. Suppose one array is given of any size. I'm not talking about the size. This array can be divided in the middle of half into two parts. So suppose this one is a point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I am creating 6. Suppose the standard form I'm taking. So this will be 6. So 3 parts is come that side. So its array becomes like I can divide 1, 2, 3, and rest of part are from this side, like 4, 5, 6. That means if a bigger problem is given, then we have to divide into the sub problem. So these are called as a sub problem. Okay, so these are called a sub problem. Then again, this again can divide this one and this one, add. So we can divide again 1 plus 1 plus 2 become 3, then divided by 2. Okay, so what we have to do? So 1 plus divided by 3 divided by 2, that means 1.5. So in that scenario, if I can give the value of point, so we can take a minimum value, that means called floor value. That is called floor value. So what is the floor value? Less than. So it will becomes 1. So this array become like this one, and this one like divided 2, 3, and 1. Okay. So now this process we can follow till that, because up to if every array has become an individual identity. Now, then we have to stop here. So all the time we can add the initial position index value and the final position index value and divided by, that means the lower value plus higher value divided by 2. Is it clear? Is it clear how to divide and where to stop our division? भाई बताओ. Yeah, Ankur, clear or not? Heath, Vishal.
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, chalo. So now see. So be careful here. Now see, where we can, for the division, we can use the initial value of index. So I am using the index value, not an array value. I am using the last index value. That means last index value. Okay, and this is the initial index value. Now see. So this process merge sort will work. Now understand. Then how to know कि division is possible or not? Now see, if only one element is present, then that is no division. That means no division. If two elements are present in an array, that we can go for the division. Okay, that we can go for the division. So one thing understand, for single array, no division. For two array, minimum 2 array is required for the division. Okay, now, so take one example and how to our program will be start understanding कि division is possible or not. That is important, because अगर हम बात करें जनरल नॉलेज की टाइप में कि हमें तो ह्यूमन बींग्स हैं, तो हमें देखकर पता चल जाता है कि इसका डिवीजन होगा कि नहीं. So now how can I do? So suppose array is given of size 4. So I am drawing the array. So I am putting like this value is 0, this is 1, this is a 2, this is a 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and I am putting the value of this one 1, 10, 2, then 5. Okay, now so I am going to write how. So I can put the index value, I can putting this one is the L and this one is the R. So sometimes we can take a P or Q also, we can take a A and B also, up to you. But in a standard books, they can follow L and they can follow R. So I can take, that means L is minimum index value, R is highest index value. Okay, so this one. Now, so I am taking that, how can division will be a start. So I am going to write one condition, if L value is less than R, then we have to perform division. Now understand. So suppose I am taking the two array. This is 0, 1. So here L is 0 and R is 1. Now 1 is greater than 0. Yes. So division will be happened. Now division will be happened and this one low. So this one 0. Now 0 is less than what? So no division. 1 is less than what? No division. Understand? Very clear? Okay.
सर
हाँ.
इसमें हमने L0 और R1 वो मीन्स जो आपने शॉर्टर एरे लिया A4 का होगा तो वो तो 1 and 5 होगा ना?
नहीं. Now see, Ankur, just see what I am writing. L meaning of L. L is a minimum index value and R is a highest index value. So I am talking about only index value, not a value of array. Clear?
ओके तो इसमें सर 0 and 3 होगा ना?
हाँ, 0 and 3 होगा. एग्जैक्ट.
ओके सर, गॉट इट
सर. बट यहाँ पर मैंने समझाने के लिए 0 और 1 लेकर समझाया. ओके.
yes sir, got it.
Now see, so L is less than R, then that time we can go for the division. So what I am going to write, so I am creating the division, I am taking int m, that means the middle element, I am writing L plus R minus L divided by 2. So this is the standard procedure. Otherwise you can interested to write L plus this one is also, or you can also write this. You can also write this one R plus L by 2. You can both get same result. Now see, analyze this result. So sometimes written difference. What is the L value? 0. What is the R value? 3. What is the L value? This one 0 divided by 2. Here you can go 0 plus divided by 3 by 2. So now 1.5 here also 1.5. Yes or no?
सर
हाँ.
इसमें मिनिमम इंडेक्स तो हमेशा मीन 0 ही होगा ना, तो हमेशा वो लोअर ही नहीं होगा L लेस देन R?
क्या मिनिमम इंडेक्स क्या होगा?
0 ही होगा ना, मीन्स एरे तो 0 से ही शुरू होगा कोई भी.
नहीं, wait, understand. I can understand. Now see, so this one, see, after this one, now see the scenario. Ankur, wait, I can explain. Your answer will be clear.
Okay, sir.
Now, see, so what I can take the value, so I can take the floor value. That means I am going to take a 1. That means I can take the middle element, this one. So this one. So what I have to do? I have to break this one like 0 and 1. I can break like this one, 2 and 3. Now see, Ankur, if you break the array, the index value cannot be changed. 0 as it is, 1 is as it is, 2 is additive. For this one, I am talking about this array. For this array, L value is equal to 2 and R value equal to 3. For this one array, L value equal to 0, R value equal to 1. Is it clear, Ankur?
Yes, sir, clear.
Chalo. So we can perform. So now see, so the next line, after this merging, so after this step, I have to follow this one. So now this one we should be merged. So this one, understand, this one is the L, this one is the M, and this one is the R. So what is the this position? M plus 1? Yes या no?
Yes sir.
ये हुआ ना? अगर ये हमारी M है तो ये M plus 1 वैल्यू होगी ना? Yes या no?
Yes sir.
Okay. So I want to be sort this element. So first my target to sort this array. So our first priority to sort this one. Sort this array. So this is the one array. And the second one, we have to sort this array. That means we have to sort this array. That means we have to sort array 1 and array 2 one by one. So how to sort? So I am writing merge sort, start from array A, that is the array A, this one, apply on array A, starting from L and ending from M. Then again we have to apply a merge sort, starting of array A, starting from M plus 1 and apply up to right. Yes या no? समझ में आया?
Yes sir.
अब देखो इसका मतलब क्या होगा, आप देखो अब हमें क्या करना है, फिर यहाँ पर एरे तो एज इट इज यही है, ये इंडिकेट इस एरे को कर रहा है. यहाँ पर एल की वैल्यू क्या होगी आफ्टर ब्रेकिंग के बाद? सो इसकी ब्रेकिंग वैल्यू 0 हो गई, इसकी 1 हो गई, और ये वाला लाइन इसको रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. तो इसकी ब्रेकिंग वैल्यू क्या होगी? दिस वन 0 plus 1, that means 2, and this one is 3. Yes or no? So you can again check L is less than M. Yes. Sorry, L is less than R. True. Then again further divide. This one L is less than M. Sorry, R. This is true. Other than समझ में आ गया?
Yes sir.
Okay. Now after merging these things, we have to add these two array to get our result like this one. So our final result look like 1, 2, 5, 10. So I have to write one more function, merge. Merge function apply on array, then apply on the initial list, then apply on the middle list, then apply on the last list. So for the merge sort, this one is the important, this one is the important, this one and this one. And this condition is very important for division. Inside that we have to perform this operation. So one by one I am going to explain this one. Okay, so this one is very important, and here is the logic will be applied, how this array will be merged and how this array will be combined. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
Okay, thank you. So thoda, can you give me the 5-minute breaks? I need to take a water. Okay, so please wait.
Okay sir.
Then I am going to write a code for this one. So before that I am writing the code, I am going to explain with the example, then I can write this code. So for today, only merge sort we are going to discuss. Okay, so give me the 5 minutes, please. Okay. So now see. So I'm going to take one example. So I'm going to draw a new array. Okay. So don't be confused. Suppose I'm going to draw the next step. That means step number 2, not a step number first. So suppose my array after some situation. Now this one. This one I'm taking only 2 array, different. Okay. So this value is 8. This is 1. This is 9. This is 2. Okay. So this index value is 0 and 1. This is the 2 and 3. Okay. No doubt now regarding design?
No, sir.
Okay. Now see. So I am my task to write the code for this one. Merge. Because this code, no need to write this code. This is already written. Okay. This code is already written here, like this one. So for merge sort 1, that means code number 2 or code number 3, only objective to divide the array, and merge function have objective to merge and sorting all the things will be happening. Now see, so after breaking this one, we can get a one array. This is the one individual array. Yes or no? This block indicate one array, and this block is indicate the second array. Okay, this is the second array. So now, so I can take this value is I, and this value is a j. Okay, I can take this, and this I'm taking. This is the R of something array. This is the left of R of something array. Yes or no? Clear?
Yes,
hello?
Sir.
No problem. Okay. Now see, then I am going to comparison if I is greater than or less than this one. Suppose I is less than j than I plus plus, or if j is less than I than j plus plus. This process we have to follow within two array comparison. Now I'm going to comparison this one follow, yes. So I will be increases. So I will be put. So this is the left hand side. We have to put the value here inside that one. So I can put here 8. Now automatically I will be increases. Now I again compare with the j. Yes, less than. So again one this will become that side. But here we can again comparison and we will place like this one. Okay. So we can create a one temporary array and fill with ascending order. Is it clear? Then automatically I will be increased here. So no need to comparison, and this whole array will be put here with a sorted order like this one, like 2, 8, 9. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, how to write this code? Same thing I'm going to write. Now see, this I value, suppose this is the I value going up to 1. Yes or no? भाई I की वैल्यू 0 से 1 के बीच में ही लाइन करेगी इंक्रीज होके, और J की वैल्यू कहां से राइज करेगी? 2 से 3 के बीच में ही राइज करेगी. यस या नो?
Yes, sir.
So now see, if I can take array number 1 having the size n1, if I can take array number 2 having the size n2, so what I'm going to write? I is less than 1 and j is less than n2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So how to calculate this height? So I have to calculate this value na, n1 and n2. How much? Yes or no?
वो सर m and r होगा ना?
क्या बोले?
मीन्स n1 is equal to m होगा ना, और n2 is equal to r.
वही तो बोल रहा हूँ कि n1 और इसकी वैल्यू तो कैलकुलेट करनी पड़ेगी ना. तो इफ यू कैन पुट दिस वन इज द l, sorry, this one is the m and this one is the r. This is not a right answer na. So this will be the 3. So if suppose you start from 0, it will go for the 0, 1, 2, 3. Here 0, 1, 2, 3 is present?
No, sir.
No. So we have to modify the value. So for finding out this value, I have to declare all the things. Now see, we can understand very easy. Now see. So what I am going to write? So I am going to write one function void merge, I am going to pass the array, okay, A, then I am going to pass minimum index value, then going to pass mid element, and I'm going to pass the last index value. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, after this bracket will be a start. Here I am going to declare int I, j, and k. So why I'm writing k? After comparing these two array, I have to store somewhere else now. So I can putting that is the array k. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now see, then I'm going to calculate int value n1. So n1 will be calculated as the mid element minus the lower element plus 1. Now see, so this suppose 0, 1. So n1 value becomes n minus 0 plus 1, 2. 1, 2. Yes, yes or no? Yes या नो?
पर सर n1 तो 1 होना चाहिए ना?
क्या बोले?
n1 की वैल्यू तो 1 होनी चाहिए ना?
अब देखो यहाँ पे देखो, l क्या है इस डायग्राम से? 0 है, m क्या है? 1 है. यस या नो?
यस सर.
अब पुट करो यहाँ पर वैल्यू. आई एम गोइंग टू चेंज कलर. 1 माइनस 0 प्लस 1 क्या आया? 2 आया.
यस सर.
तो यहाँ पर कितने आ रहे हैं? 1 और 2 दो ही आ रहे हैं.
ओके, मींस इंडेक्स की वैल्यू नहीं होनी चाहिए ना वो, इसलिए मैं 1 बता रहा था.
अच्छा अच्छा, नो नो नो, दैट मींस द साइज ऑफ array is 2. यस या नो?
यस सर.
Now same process, suppose this one is the 3 and 4. So how can get this maximum value? This one, suppose this one, no, understand, this is a 2 and 4. So how can get this value? So int n2 equal to what is r minus n? Yes or no? Hello? R minus am, that means whatever the value of this one will be 4 minus 2. It's 2. Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Clear?
Yes sir.
So now I can fix the size of new array n1. I can fix the size of new array n2. Okay. So these are belong to this one and these are belong to this one. Now, so I am going to write. After that, I am taking the array int L1 having size n1 and R having size n2. Yes or no? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So what I have to do? Now see, what is the meaning of line? This line. So basically, this line indicates this one. So this array having the name of this one and this array having the name of this one. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Chal. Sorry. So now after this, I am going to write a for loop where I can travel. So I am writing for loop I equal to 0 and I should be less than n and I plus plus. Yes or no? N of 1. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And then I can assign the L of I value is equal to array of L plus 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
अब देखो कैसे, मैंने देखो मैं इसको एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ, आप समझ लें. सो 0 1. सो भाई आई एल हमारा क्या है? 0 है. तो हमारा जो एरे ऑफ 0 की वैल्यू 0 प्लस 1, इट्स बिकम लाइक दिस वन. सॉरी, नॉट अ 1, दिस वन इज द आई. Not a 1, this one is the I. So what is the value of I? 0. This will be 0. So A of 0 is same as of L of I. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So मैंने इसकी जो वैल्यू थी, हमने क्या बोला कि जो हमारे पास ओरिजिनल एरे था, उस एरे में जो डिवीजन हुआ था उसको हमने एक लेफ्ट एरे में पुट कर दिया. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Same process we can apply for the j. So I am writing j equal to 0, j less than n2 and j plus plus. And after that I am writing r of j is equal to what going to write? Array of m plus 1 plus j. So this process we apply to put the j value. Clear? समझ में आ गया? अंकुर
yes sir, got it sir.
Okay,
yes sir.
चलिए, so we can move now. This time we can cover up to this one. So after that I have to merge the array. So for this purpose I can initialize. अब हमारा टास्क क्या है? मर्ज करना है, इन दो एरे को मर्ज करना है. तो इसके लिए हमने इनिशियलाइज कर दिया ये, और k की वैल्यू को इनिशियलाइज कर दिया l. मतलब जो k की होगी वो इनिशियल इंडेक्स वैल्यू होगी. इज इट क्लियर? क्लियर?
यस सर.
चलिए, कोई डाउट अब तक किसी को? अगर किसी को डाउट है तो पूछिए प्लीज. किसी को डाउट? नो डाउट. So I can move forward. Now, so I am going to now perform this task. So what I am going to next task performing, that means here, suppose I am creating like this one. So this one is the I and this one is the J. So I have to increase this one and I have to increase this one. So for this purpose, I am going to write while loop. So I am writing while loop if I is less than n1 and j is less than n2. मतलब जो I की वैल्यू अपने साइज से कम होगी और j की वैल्यू साइज से कम होगी. So we have to perform if L of I is less than equal to R of j, then we have to perform operation array of k value, whatever you are getting is same as a L of I, and after that I plus plus. Is it clear? भाई मैंने क्या बोला, इसकी और इसकी वैल्यू को कंपैरिजन करेंगे. 8 और 1. तो यहाँ पर क्या हो गया? 8 हो गया, यहाँ पे 1 हो गया, ये ट्रू हो गया. तो जब नया एरे होगा वो उसकी जगह a ऑफ k की जगह क्या भर दिया? 1 को लाके भर दिया, ये एरे के. अब समझ में आया?
यस सर.
और इसके बाद क्या करेंगे? i को इंक्रीज कर देंगे. समझ में आ गया?
यस सर.
फिर अगेन i विल बी गो हियर एंड चेक. नाउ i वैल्यू बिकम्स, सपोज दिस इज द 9 एंड दिस इज द 10 and this one, sorry, j value will increases. Yes or no? Okay. So in that scenario, this option is wrong. So we can go for the else part. So in else part, I am going to write if a of k is equal to r of j and r of j and j plus plus. अब clear हो गया होगा. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
So now here if loop will be closed and while loop is also closed. Okay, while loop and this inside of while loop we can close all the things. So now see, we can go for the next one.
सर इसमें a of k plus plus नहीं होगा अंदर?
हाँ बताने जा रहा हूँ. So what we have writing after this one, suppose this value is fill up, so we have to increase the k also, na? We have to increase the k value also. So I am going to write k plus plus and close this one. Okay?
Yes sir.
चल ठीक है. So what happened? So now after this I have to copy the element. So for copy the element, I am going to write the code while loop I should be less than 1, or inside that I am writing the copy a of k is writing that L of I. Just I am copying, and I plus plus and k plus plus is closed, and then again I am writing while j is less than n2, then we have to perform array of k is equal to r of j and j plus plus and k plus plus, and close this one and close all the function. So that means after getting that one, we have to know, we have to complete all this task, so we can get a ascending order data. Is it clear?
सर ये हमने दूसरी बार कॉपी मीन्स क्यों किया? पहली बार में ही हमने ए ऑफ के में सब वैल्यू डाल दी थी ना।
कहाँ पे?
मीन्स फर्स्ट वाइल लूप में हमने वैल्यू डाल दी ना ए ऑफ के में। यस सर।
यहाँ पे हमने वैल्यू नहीं डाला, हमने यहाँ पर आई और जे को कंपैरिजन करने के लिए डाला। ओके, और यहाँ पे हमने जब देखो ये कैसे होता है, अब क्या होगा, यहाँ आई के बाद आई तो यहाँ आ गया ना, आ गया ना।
यस सर।
तो आई को कंपैरिजन नहीं मिलेगा, सो फॉर दैट पर्पस वी आर राइटिंग दिस कोड कि एज इट इज सारा कॉपी हो जाएगा। क्लियर?
यस सर।
क्लियर हो गया ना?
यस सर।
So this is the code for your merge sort. Now see, after this code, suppose if you want, so what is the code for the merge sort? This is the code for merge. So suppose I am writing a code for the merge sort. Merge sort. So again I am passing the array, and here again I am passing the length value, and again I am passing the, this is the right value, or inside that I am going to write if L is less than R, then we have to perform int m equal to L plus R divided by 2. Then we have to perform merge sort. Here I am writing array L m, then merge sort array m plus 1 plus R, and here I am writing merge A L m and R, and close this one. Clear?
Yes sir.
So this is the complete code for the merging the merge sort. So anyone doubt? So please write this code and share with me. Wait, I am going to cut this and then again start. So CR is present. In this batch, CR is present or not? Okay.
Yes sir, present.
Okay, Ankur. Then you have to, your duty is to send me those candidates, those who are absent.
Yes sir. Okay sir.
Now see, now I think this is okay for you. Wait. So I'm going to share. So go through this code. Okay, if you have any doubt, then ask me. And please write this code and share with me. Okay, Ankur?
Okay sir.
Please write this code. loop statement. Is it okay? Tirth? Yeah, Ankur, share your screen.
Sir, is it visible?
Wait. Yeah, it's visible. Okay, can you give me the input?
इसमें सर मैंने एरे पहले प्रीडिफाइंड एरे ले लिया है यूजर से भी।
इसीलिए आपने साइज किया है और उसके प्रिंट के लिए साइज को n-1 किया। चलिए ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं।
यस सर,
ठीक है, चलिए रन कीजिए इसको। ठीक है, चलो। थैंक यू अंकुर।
थैंक यू सर।
ट्राई करो। ओके तीर्थ, Yeah, let's share. Show me. Can you zoom? Increase the font size. Yeah, correct, correct. So you are writing in a different way, so I need to check your logic. That is important. For L, wait. Okay, in one line we are writing all the things. Okay, correct. Then while loop as it is, same. Okay, correct. Can you run this code? In a for loop, you are writing all the things. Okay. Thank you, Tirth. Thank you. So the last time I'm asking, anyone doubt regarding this code? If no doubt, please post in the chat box. No doubt. N. Is it clear? Can you post in the chat box? Is it clear? Only Ankur, Deep, Astha. Okay. Okay. So for the next class, we are going to discuss about the quick sort. So now see, the thing is that when we are come to the classroom for the next lab, then try to prepare your notes. That means we have to take a little bit knowledge regarding the upcoming class, like a merge sort we are going to discuss. So we have to try to learn merge sort and then come back. So that is the way we have to increase your productivity. So we can increase your understanding level. Okay, that is the way to learn. So the next class we are going to discuss about the merge sort. Is it clear? So anyone idea how merge sort will work?
सर मतलब ये जो हमने कोड लिखा था वो मर्ज सॉर्ट का ही था ना?
नहीं ये सॉरी क्विक सॉर्ट. आई एम सॉरी क्विक सॉर्ट के बारे में I'm talking about the quick sort. So now see one thing. From starting day to till today day, so what we have to study, we have to done this one program, like we can complete call by value, then call by reference, then we can complete bubble sort, then insertion sort, then selection sort, and today we have complete merge sort. Now see, these all bubble sort, insertion sort, selections, and merge sort and quick sort, this comes inside one programming called sorting, and this one is all, this comes under function. Okay, so before starting to your I want to share with you some information. So before starting your stack, queue, okay, linked list, then binary search tree, BST, then push, pop. Okay, in a linked list, we can go for single, double, circular linked list, then graph. So before that, you should be clear about pointer, function, dynamic memory location, okay, function, dynamic memory location, and matrix. These things we have to cover through C programming. And anyhow, we should command on pointer, function, dynamic memory allocation, and matrix. So then these codes push, pop, stack, queue, and linked list, and BST and graph is very easy to understand. If this one is the poor, so very difficult to understand this one. So these are the data structure. Okay, is it clear?
Yes sir.
So आपको ये ना चाहते हुए करना ही पड़ेगा. अगर आप अमेजॉन, फेसबुक, फ्लिपकार्ट, गुलमर्ग, गोल्डमैन सैक, क्वालकॉम इसके बारे में सोच रहे हैं, तो अगर आप नॉर्मल कंपनियों के बारे में सोच रहे हैं, इन्फोसिस, विप्रो, टीसीएस, तो आपको मर्ज सॉर्ट तक क्लियर करना है. आप किसी के बारे में सोचिए, डेटा स्ट्रक्चर पढ़ना ही है. ओके, किसी में अप टू इंटरमीडिएट लेवल तक पढ़ना है, किसी में अप टू हायर लेवल तक पढ़ना है, किसी में अप टू बेसिक लेवल तक ही पढ़ना है. क्लियर? चलो.
Yes sir.
So Ankur, you can send me the attendance for today. Those who are absent. So shall we wind up the session?
Yes sir, attendance ले लिए.